Hello students, this is your next chapter 4, algebraic identities. Okay, now you know these formulas, these are basic formula. Again we repeat today. Okay, what is the first formula? A plus b to the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b to the power whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b to the whole square minus 2ab and 1 also a minus b to the whole square plus 2ab. Okay, now and this is very important formula, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now what is your first question? The first question is exercise 4.1. okay, your first question is evaluate each of the following using identities. Okay, now this is a minus this is b. Okay, suppose this is a, this is b, so this is like this formula, a minus b to the power whole square. Okay, so by applying this formula, here I written also a minus b to the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now so we can write a square means 2x to the whole square minus 2a into b. Okay, plus b square means 1 by x to the whole square. Okay, now what is the square of 2? Square of 2 is 4, so here 4x square, here we cut x and x, so 2 to the 4. Okay, now and 1 by x to the whole square is equal to 1 by x square. Now this is your fifth number question. This is your fifth number question. 1.5x square minus 0.3 y square into 1.5x square plus 0.3 y square. Okay, this is a minus b and a plus b. This is like this formula, a square minus b square. Okay, before using this formula we write it into fraction. Okay, so we write 15x square by 10 minus 3y square by 10. Okay, we remove the decimals. Okay, and 15x square by 10 plus 3y square by 10. So by using a plus b into a minus b, we get 15x square by 10 to the whole square minus 3y square by 10 to the power whole square. Okay, so what is the square of 15? Square of 15 is 225 into x to the power 4 by what is square of 10 is 100, and here square of 3 is 9 y to the power 4 and square of 10 is 100. So here we write this is, we take LCM 100 or and 225 x to the power 4 minus 9 x to the power y to the power 4. Okay, or we either take common 1 by 100, we write also in this way. Okay, 225 x to the power 4 minus 9 y to the power 4. Okay, now this is question number 2. Evaluate each of the following using identities. Okay, here 399 to the power whole square, so we can use 400 minus 1 in the place of 399, so it is a minus b to the power whole square. What this is formula, a minus b to the power whole square. So here we write 400 in the place of a, so a square minus 2a, a means 400 and into b means 1. Okay, plus b to the power whole square. Now what is the square of 400? You just write square of 4. What is the square of 4 is 16, and here 2 0, so write here 4 zeros. Okay, now that 2 into 400 into 1 means 800, plus square of 1 is 1, so 1,60,000 plus 1 minus 800 gives this one. Okay, Now this is fourth number question. 117 into 83. We can write 100 plus 17 in the place of 117, and we can write 100 minus 17 in the place of 83. So this is a plus b into a minus b. So this is this formula, a square minus b square. Okay, so by using this formula we get 100 in the place of a, 100 in the place of a, and 17 in the place of b. So 100 to the square minus 17 to the square. What is the 100 square? Is 10,000 minus square of 17 is 289. So when we subtract it, we got 9,711. Okay, now this is your third question. Simplify each of the following. Here 322 into 322 minus 2 into 322 into 22 plus 22 into 22 here. So we can write 322 here twice. So we write 322 to the power whole square minus 2ab plus here we write again 20 to the power whole square. So by this is a minus b to the power whole square by using this formula. Okay, so we write here 322 minus 20 to the power whole square. Okay, so when we subtract 322 minus 22, we get 300 to the whole square. And what is the square of 300 is 90,000. Okay, you just write square of 3 is 9 and write here 40. Okay, because here 20, so here is 40. Now this is your fourth number question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 11, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Since x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, we can write x square plus 1 by x square to the whole square. Okay, so it is a square plus b square, this formula, a square plus b square. Here x in the place of a and 1 by x in the place of b. So we write here a plus b to the power whole square minus 2ab. Here x and x are cancelled because they in this x is numerator and here in denominator. So what is the value of x plus 1 by x? The value of x plus 1 by x is 11. So we put here 11 minus 2 into 1. Here 2 into 1. So we write 2 into 1. What is the square of 11? Square of 11 is 121 minus 2 means 119. Okay.